So guys, here are the required materials. So first of all we need this ruler, a pencil, a red pen, a black pen, a whitener, a sharpener, a eraser, and the last thing is we need a compass with a small pencil. So let's go guys and let's start the video. To make a perfect straight line. Then by using ruler we will draw a line with a pencil. Then taking a 1 cm radius we have to draw a half circle, and again taking a 1.5 cm radius we have to draw a circle. And remember that if you are having problem to draw a half circle, then you can also do the full circle, then you can erase it the unwanted part. So you can see that here I am making different radius of circles. So long we have drawn with a pencil, because if it is wrong it can be erased smoothly. So now I will border it with black pen, and you can also use black marker also, but I recommend you to do with black pen because it has its thin head. So now I am filling it with a rectangle shape. Then we have to color the border smoothly so that it look good. So at last the rectangle part is finished. So now we are drawing triangle. And if you are making fault, you can also erase it by using whitener. But remember it, when you erase it, you should do it by tap mode so that it can be erased smoothly. Now we are filling it. Now we move on to another part, and in that part we are making small half circles. So it completed. Now we are filling the outer side of the circle. And it is also completed. So again we are drawing the half circles, and in that circle we have to draw another circle in a same size inside the circle only, and we have to do all the circle in this way only in this part. Then in the same way we will cover it with the black pen. Now it is the part which you don't need or which is unwanted. Now it's time to do the eye part. At first we will draw the eyebrow with a pencil, then again with a pen. Now the eye part. So now here I am filling the eyebrows with a black pen. In the middle of the pupil, we will draw two small circles and we should do it very attentively, otherwise spots may fall in the circle. And now the forehead eye, I am zooming the eye part. While you filling the color in pupil, you should be very attentive so that the circles will be perfect. And remember one thing, each and every part we have to draw with the black pen for the glowing look. So now we will color the tip with the red pen. In the upper part of the eye, we will give thin layer of red border so that the eye look will be gorgeous, and you can also skip it if you don't like. So here you can see that I am doing the nose part here. And here in the lip, you should give red color because if you do it with black, it will look so odd. Now we will draw trident with the pencil, then again with the black pen we will fill the color inside the trident. As here you can see that I am doing it. And in the last I am doing 3 small circles and fill the circles with black color. And here you can see that in the trident part also I am giving red thin border, and it is optional, you can also skip it.